Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with our spring and Easter books, and I have a book that I think some of you will really love. It's Thomas and Friends Easter Engines. We're going to see as Thomas goes on an adventure, he needs to be back in time for the parade, but some things go wrong. So let's see what Thomas does to make sure that he gets back safely. Thomas and Friends Easter Engines. It is Easter morning. James, Percy, and Thomas are being washed for the Easter parade. "We are bright and shiny like Easter eggs," said James. Thomas is happy. He will lead the parade. Suddenly, Sir Topham Hatt arrives. He has an important job for Thomas. Thomas must go to McCall's farm. He must get an Easter egg. Thomas will do the job. Then he will race back to the parade. Thomas zooms down the track. He sees McCall's farm. Thomas stops at the farm. He is surprised. The egg is very shiny. It is also very big. "It is the biggest egg in the world," says Thomas. Terence tells Thomas to be careful. He tells Thomas not to break the egg. Chug, chug. Thomas rolls slowly up the track. He is very careful. He does not want to break the egg. The egg shakes and wobbles, but it does not fall. Quack, quack. Thomas stops. He lets the ducks cross the track. Prediction. Do you think that Thomas is going to make it back in time for the parade? Thumbs up if you think yes. Thumbs down if you think he's going to be late. Thomas reaches the parade. It is almost over. Thomas is not the first engine in the parade. He is the last engine. But the children cheer for Thomas. The children cheer for the giant egg. The parade is over. "How did the big egg get so big?" asked Thomas. Sir Topham Hatt chuckles. "The egg is not real. It is made of paper." Rip, rip. Sir Topham Hatt opens the egg. It is full of Easter baskets. One child gives Thomas a basket. Thomas is very happy. The children love their baskets. They thank Thomas. "We are like big shiny eggs," James says to Thomas. "But you are like a big Easter bunny," says Percy. "Happy Easter," says Thomas. The end.